So, if we talk about the geography section in UPSC, particularly the mains, we will talk about mains and prelims separately. So, the mains section, which falls under the GS paper one. So, what we see is that there are 100 marks of geography which is being asked out of 250 marks. So that becomes very important from for dealing the GS paper one. Sometimes students, when they are not clear with the basic concepts of geography, it might cost them a couple of questions. And the kind of questions that are being asked in UPSC, sometimes they are unpredictable as well. They are asking about the twisters, they are asking about the fjords, which generally students do not know. So there are some of the key areas which we can prepare beforehand so that we could manage a good score. So which all are these areas? So the syllabus divides the geography into the world geography. It talks about the key concepts of that is related to geomorphology. What are the different geological phenomena are going, like earthquake that is there. We have landslides that are there, and other volcanoes is also there. So these are some of the geological phenomena that are going on. We have the atmospheric, which is the climatology section that is there. It also becomes important because of the changing climate. We are seeing that there are lots of changes. So this topic particularly becomes very important, and its intersection with other fields as to what are the impacts of climate change that is it. So questions are being asked on that in different ways. Oceanography again becomes important because that the changing sea composition due to climate change and waste that is being dumped into oceans. So it also becomes important, and there are other aspects to it as well. So this is a key topic that we can study. For the Indian geography sections, the questions they are generally discussed about the physiography. So India has different physiographic divisions like the mountains, we have the plains, the coastal areas. So they generally ask, sometimes they ask a general description of it. How does it impact the life of those regions? So it is important. It also discusses the other aspects of like the drainage system. It becomes an important topic from mains perspective, that they try to compare the drainage system of the North India and the peninsular India. So these have different several differences between them, which is being discussed. The climate of India is also being discussed, and also there are some key topics like the soil. It is also important. Livestock and fishing also becomes important. Irrigation is something that becomes important, since India is largely a monsoon dependent country. So irrigation becomes very important. Then minerals sections and energy section is one thing which is being asked repeatedly in the examination. So it becomes very important. Apart from this, what is important in geography is to have a good repository of diagrams which you can write in each one of your answers. Like if you are talking about volcano, if you are talking about tsunami, then you need to have a diagram to explain that thing very well. So for that you can prepare some separate diagrams as well. Apart from that, having a good idea about the atlas, the places that are there, different national parks that are there, some of the geographical features like mountain peaks, some rivers, what is their positions, it becomes very important from prelims perspective. So that is it from geography.